So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And as you can see, I'm on my Claude Code CLI. But I haven't been using any API keys. And in this short tutorial, I will be explaining you how you can use Claude Code for free, unlimited, without paying a single penny. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you it is working. Okay. So you can see that it is taking a little while, but it's working completely for us. Hey, how can I help you? Now, how I'm doing this? I'm doing this using Olama. So Olama helps us download models locally, and we have now connected a local model to Claude Code so that we can use it for unlimited free applications. Else, what will happen even if you use any API key, that would be either limited or would be paid. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to download a model from Olama that supports tool. Yes, you heard it right. Now let's first of all jump onto the Olama official page to explore certain options. Now as you can see, I am on my Olama page. Go to models. Once you click here, you go to models that supports tools. Now as you can see, I'm using Granite 4.1. Granite 4.1 has 3 billion parameters, so you would be able to run on a consumer grade GPU very easily. So we will be downloading this. How to download this? Just click here and run this command in a local system. I assume you have Olama and Claude Code already installed in your system. Yes, that is important. So Olama and Claude Code are already present. If not, downloading Olama and Claude Code is very easy. You can refer to my previous videos. You just need to run this Olama run Granite 4.13b and the model will get downloaded easily. The next steps are very easy. Now, as you can see, I have terminated my Claude Code. I will restart it, but with new commands. As you can see, I'm pasting a few things here. As you can see, first of all, you need to provide an environment variable Anthropic auth token, then base URL, and then just launch Claude. It's already set up, so don't worry about that. Model Granite. Once you have downloaded that 0.1:3b, once you hit enter, you need to just trust the folder. You need to set up these two environment variables, Anthropic auth token and Anthropic base URL. Now you are using Granite. For which model are you? Let me see what it outputs. It is giving an output now. It might say haiku or what. I'm an embodiment of Claude 4, formerly Claude language model. It is not that because we are rerouting the local host, so it is loading the default one. But this is Granite 4.13b. So very easy to do. You first of all need to download Granite 4.13b or any other tool model that is supported on a local system. Set up two environment variables, Anthropic auth token, Anthropic base URL. Once you are done with this, I'm already set this up. You need to run this command Claude hyphen model, the name of the model that you can run locally, and then you can use Claude Code for free, unlimited access. And this is how you can work upon Claude Code without paying a single penny. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.